Airsoft Wolf again, here to do another video for you YouTube people. I have got a tripod now, so it'll be easier for me to do videos. Yep, but let's get on to my review of my friend's pistol. Yeah, it is the Stinger P311 It's probably one of the nicest springers I know of. Hey, cameraman, tell me how close I am. Right here is the safety. It works really good. Doesn't let you go back. Doesn't let you pull the trigger at all. I think the safety is the best. One of the really good quality. Little metal part just for your kicks and giggles. You can just pull this back. Just, I'm cocked, and then you don't, and then you don't really do it. You can disassemble this. I don't want to right now. Take the top part off and the bottom. I don't want to right now because it's not mine, and I'm out in my backyard, and if I miss a part, I'm toast. Yeah, let's get back to the review. The mag. Let's start with the mag. Right here, it goes down, and it's not deep enough. It doesn't hold down here very good. That kind of sucks. Loading it kind of sucks, but. How many BBs does it hold?
About 12.
12 BBs? Oh, so not that bad. It is a second-hand gun that's Springer. It is all plastic, except this little part right here, and the springs, of course. Pretty original gun. The grip could be better. It is designed. My hands is kind of a small hand, and my hand's still getting like really big for it. I like that it's a solid trigger kind of right here, so because it's plastic, so I don't have to worry as much about it breaking. And then the sights. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. Yeah, the sights are pretty good. I like that it has a white tip right here. If you can see that, hopefully you can. It's made in Taiwan. You can take these little grips off for new ones if you want rubber ones. But those rubber ones are going to cost more than the actual gun itself. I think the gun is like a $15 gun. It's a really nice gun. I would totally recommend this gun. It is extremely nice. I like to play with it. It's pretty accurate too for a pistol. I don't know the FPS. That's one bad thing. Probably can't see me. I don't know. I don't know the FPS on this. Yeah, that's it for my review of the Stinger P311. That's it for today. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And